How old are you, Inday?
Dali, sa muka, uy. Kaboy. Yan talaga, oo. Dali, ayaw mo ito. Very active. Dali na, sis.
Like this.
Gara po si Eddie ko. Gara, di ba?
This thing.
Oh.
That's your doll?
No.
That's your sofa? Sofa bed?
No, it's mine.
What's the color? Purple. Purple. This,
Even this mine.
what's the color of your the doggy? What's the color of the doggy?
White.
White?
Yeah.
How about this one? Your toy behind. Is that the elephant?
No.
What's the color of the elephant?
Uh,
That one. That one. That one. What's the color? Is it an elephant or what?
the elephant.
Elephant? What's the name?
Sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
What's the color?
So wake up.
Wake up. What's the color of the elephant? You gonna wake it up? Oh, you play with it.
Eddie, dali, palihog.
Okay po. Okay. Happy birthday, Inday.
I want to play him.
Wanna play with your elephant?
Yeah.
No, no. Let me see your nose. Your tongue.
Lord. Ay. Ang muka, uy.
I'll play with it.
Ay, nako. Sabihan na, ha.
We play with the monkey.
Bye-bye, Inday. Bye-bye. You wait though. Bye-bye.
That's a good one.